Hello everyone, my name is Laura. I'm gonna show you my creative arts project for my humanities class. On times of coronavirus, I didn't want to go out and buy materials or order materials online. So I'm gonna use my recycling aluminum cans to make flowers. And I used pretty much all the materials I had in my house, and the spray painting an arts teacher let me borrow them. So here's all the materials I use: the cans, how you cut it, the spray paint, Sharpies, scissors, nails, gloves and masks, and a hammer. And I'm gonna show you some of the end product. So this is one of the flowers with different designs, and here's another one. So now I'm gonna show you in this video how to make them, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.